Good afternoon. Hello, everybody. Just a backup of what I was saying in regards to the Smitter program, the 2D fighting game, which I started about 3 weeks ago. I'd just like to show you where we're at the present moment. So if I play the level one, as you can see in the left-hand corner, it shows the actual level plus the amount of coins below, the health, the experience required to get to the next level. Well, I've got 25 levels set up, plus a karma system. Karma being that you do something like destroy stuff in the town or kill some chickens. You get bad karma if you turn on the lights or kill rats in the town. You get good karma. Um, this also affects how when you go to buy stuff in town, you actually the percentage of cost you actually buy stuff actually decreases if it's good karma and increases if it's bad. Uh, so you can see that I've got the character Smithers running around. There's a light post there. If I press the up button, turns the light on. It's some karma for me. You can also attack the equipment or the barrels in town. I won't actually do much damage to the barrels at the moment. Only after destroying we lose karma. There's a coin on the ground, and as I pick it up, updates the coinage. I can actually go inside the buildings. Here I can actually buy stuff. First in the B, and as you can see, my karma at present moment, reputation is +1, and I have 2 gold, and if I want to shovel on a blade, +5 to my blade, it's 50 gold, and so on and so on. If I want to get back out of the house, I press the up button. By pressing 1, I can attack. And there's no lights, I turn it on. Pressing the space bar makes you jump. You can see there's a chicken there. He will run away from you. You can attack it, and that gives you bad karma. Right. And then let's see the chicken will run away from you. If you attack the barrels or the crates, sometimes there's actually coinage inside. And of course, because you are attacking stuff that's in the town, you actually there's a bad karma. As you can see, there's more green now because that's good karma. And if I destroy stuff, there's a rat there. You just go and kill it. Yeah, kill the rat. It's bring up one of those house. Yeah, it's not a rat. So have to be careful because the chicken's only got 1 HP. And if you kill the chicken, karma goes down, the karma goes down. So the first third of the actual game is in town. And then as you get past here, the goblins live in the forest. So then you do less town and more of the forest. You should start to see the goblins coming to attack us. So there's one there. Oh, just kill the chicken. The, the the guys with the bows will actually try and get away from you. Uh, as you can see, I am now. So I haven't gone up level yet. That wasn't all right. Okay. I think no, I'm still not at the level. But my XP is growing and the bar is getting larger. In a sec, I'll find kill some more goblins and I should be able to show you the next level. There's space bar. You can only like jump once. Oh, there's a guy with a goblin with a sword. Be careful here because if he hits me, don't have much hit points. Yeah, right. Should be close to going up a level. As you can see, I've been getting coinage from killing goblins. I'm at 12 coins at the moment. Right. Might leave it there. So as you get to the end, you get to the boss. Let's go to the boss. This part I haven't completed. I'm going to actually make this into a cave area. So you go through the forest, kill the goblins, then you come up to the main boss. So once I've spent some more time on that, I'll actually create a cave area for the boss. Maybe put some spiders in there. Don't know yet. The boss should be coming up shortly. I'll do some work on the ground and maybe make some under like earth underneath, maybe some skeletons. Oh, there's another goblin. I have to be careful with these guys because he will kill me in one hit. Oh, not that. I'll take them back to the beginning. Of course, now I have 42 gold. I can actually go into here, go into one of the houses. This one here. And I can buy, let's go to that 42. I can increase my jump. I think that's about it. Come back out. I should be out, yeah. So jumping a little higher now. I should be able to just about jump on top of the house. No, can't reach it. All right, I'm going to cheat, go up a few levels. And I'll show you that you can actually go on top of the housing. And then if you go up onto this, under the smoke, the chimneys, you actually get taken up in the air. I'm thinking maybe I'll put some coins at the top. The chimneys here, maybe. By holding the button or the space bar down, I can actually like float. And as you can see, at this level, level 9, I can actually double jump. A quick way of getting from one space to another, just float along. At level 9, everything should be fairly simple, but even the goblins should be easy to kill at level 9. As you go up, your sword strength gets better, your health gets better. The speed actually of how fast you swing the sword, how fast you move on the ground. Actually, I'll go right up to level 25. 25, you start getting some things like you go invisible. You might go down a few levels. So just to test, I've used 0 and 9, so we can move up between the levels just to help me test the levels, the level of the character, of Smithers himself, the player. And just get to the boss and show the boss, and then I'll finish up. So this is about 4 weeks worth of work. Not every day, just maybe an hour every second day. And I've done no coding. All I've done is use Antigravity 2, put in the request, see what happens, and then modify it. Like request the changes, and over time, it's just build it out. It's been great. Like zero coding, but continuously logging, requesting, and changing until I get what I want. So the boss should be just about coming up now. Yeah. So that guy. So I haven't spent much time this end, and I will spend. There he is. He's the boss. Start. Oh, got him. I said level 16. Plays level 16. You expect to be able to kill the boss pretty simply. And there's this level 1. So level 1 is pretty much showing the town, helping you get bits and pieces, getting up a couple of levels, maybe one level, going through the forest, killing the goblins, and then get past the boss. Probably be about second level by the time you get to there, and you should be able to go to the next level. Anyway, that's just explaining where I'm at the present moment. But, yes, Unity 6, using Antigravity 2, been fantastic. If you're willing to put the time into it, you don't need any coding, incentive coding. I've got a couple of bits and pieces, some assets which I bought years ago, and I'm just reusing them. And the system, Antigravity is pretty good. It goes and checks everything. And if you keep prompting it correctly over and over, it will give you what you want. You just have to be patient with it. Anyway, I will turn that off. Thank you very much for that, and see you next time.